Hey everyone, this is Wes from SaaSKit, and today I'm going to show you guys the demo admin panel. So when you sign up for your own web app, your own SaaS, this is the admin panel that you are going to get. So in another video, I'm going to show you what your customers are going to see, but for this one, we're going to walk through that admin panel and I can show you all of the features. So I'm going to click into that right now. Okay, when you load up your admin panel, you're going to go right to the dashboard, and on the left side bar is all of the tabs that we have available. First, it's going to be your company name, your business name, and your domain that you've connected. It's going to be in the left here. On the dashboard, we give you a couple statistics. So we give you your total users, total credits used, total words generated by AI, total characters generated by AI, got images, documents, auto blogs. We're going to add a few more stats up there like workflows and stuff. But for now, this is the stats that you get presented on the main dashboard page. And then below that is a list of the recent documents so you can see what your users have been generating. I'm going to click into users here. And here we see we have a total of 12 users and 0 have signed up today. If you scroll down, you can see some basic information. The tracking is a new feature. So for these demo users, the tracking is empty. But this is, I'll go through it later, but this is the ability to see where your customers are subscribing from. If you use ads, if you have SEO, if you have social media marketing, you can create custom tracking links and it will show up here. So I'm going to scroll down. I see that this user, Fiona, looks like a power user. She's used the most credits. So I'm going to click into her. We got her avatar, her name, her company, her domain, the credits that she's used. You can adjust this if you want to change people's maybe free trial. Don't worry, you can't save it. We got her email, if she has email reminders enabled, and some other basic details here like her sign up date, the time, and her last active. So that's the user panel. And the branding is your company name, your app icon, and the primary color of your app, and the hover color of your buttons. So this is going to show all over your app. You can customize it to whatever color you want. In the subscription tab, you get to choose how many credits you want on a user's free trial. You got the Stripe account here. This is going to be your publishable and secret key. Then we got the monthly subscription price, the product that you made, how much it costs. You got the yearly subscription product and how much it costs. If you want to know how to set this up, I made another video that walks you through the onboarding process of SaaSKit. So I recommend checking that out. In the API keys, this is your OpenAI API key, and then you get to choose your credit cost per image. This is mandatory because most of the app is built on OpenAI. Some optional API keys that you can use is Assembly AI. This is for the transcription feature. You can enable or disable it, and you can choose how much that costs. We also have Dream Studio as a second image generator. You can enable or disable that model and choose how much it costs to generate those images. In the features tab, you can enable or disable some of the major features. So I let you enable or disable Autoblog because Autoblog is a way for your customers to create multiple blog posts at once, up to 25 keywords at a time, 25 posts. And it can be pretty expensive, especially if you're using your own OpenAI API key. So I'll give you the option to enable or disable it. If you want a full feature app, I recommend just enabling everything. And we have some other features coming soon that you'll also have the option to enable or disable. Right now, those are unusable. In the templates page, this is the feature that copies a popular app called WriteSonic. So these templates are AI generated templates that a user can, if they want to generate blog titles, paragraph writer, article ideas, article outlines. I start you off with a bunch of default ones, and you can go in and you can edit these, change them whatever you want. How it works is you create an icon, you create a title, a description, and then you choose the input label, what your customer sees when they have to input some text, and then the prompt that's in the back end that your customers don't see that the AI uses to generate. So the cool thing about this feature is, and I'm going to go back to the templates. is you can't do this on the demo, but you can create a brand new template. You can create as many as you want, unlimited. If you think of a cool idea that was not given in the default, see, I only start you with 20. We'll be updating this with more in the future. But if you ever think of a new one, you can add it at any point, and it's custom, and your users will see yours, and it will make your app completely unique. So that's the cool part about the templates feature. App text is basically just what it says all around your app. So I give you the option to change the dashboard welcome text for a new user, what they see in the pop-up. I give you the option to enable or disable a welcome video. If you want to create your own with your own face, like I'm doing here, to walk through the app that your customers can see, you can do that. Sorry, this is the new user pop-up. This is what's shown on the dashboard welcome page. We'll go through that when I go through the customer web app. Sorry, that's the pop-up text. I give you some default pop-up text. And then on the billing page, this is an option that you can highlight some important features and, mark it a bit more to make the user subscribe. In the email section, this is what is written in the magic login link. So when a new user signs up, we are there instead of a password. This is a passwordless web app. They input their email, they get a magic link to sign in. This is what the email will say. Policies is a new feature. We're able to create the terms of service and the privacy policy pages. So I start you off with default text that grabs your company name and it puts it all throughout, but you can edit this and change it whenever. We also have it that you can create from a template. And what's cool is that these pages are given in your web app. So you don't have to worry about creating those for your SaaS. We have it. We pull your app icon. We pull your privacy policy and terms of service pages. So you don't have to create that yourself. So that's the awesome part about that. I'm going to close that tab back here. We're going to go on the marketing. So this is the brand new URL tracking parameters that I was talking about. So if you create your domain name and you use the question mark and then the URL parameter, and then you make it whatever you want, when you send out your hyperlink, we grab that and we add that into the tracking section of the users. So I give you a few examples here and you can just copy. Let's say I was making a post on Reddit about this SaaS. I would use this tracking link, Reddit, so I know that a lot of users came from Reddit. And if that's very successful marketing, I will continue to post on Reddit. So it's a good way for your company to look over and see what's working the best for your particular business. So these are just some examples, but you can use any kind of tracking at the end there and we will grab it. The next tab is Other. Can I move this around? Yes. See down here. Okay. The other tab is Other. And this is just something that hasn't fit in the tabs. We have your customer support email address. This is going to show in some hyperlinks throughout the web app. We have the pop-up avatar. I start you with a nice cool one, like a little Batman. If you want to add live chat, like right here in the bottom right corner, you can do that. Talk.to is completely free. You'll get your own kind of API key, enter it there, and it will go to yours. Announcement banner, you can enable or disable. This will show at the top of the main users, the customer web apps dashboard. If you want to highlight important new features, or say you have a sale going on, or whatever you want to say, you can enable announcement banner there. And we provide you with a banner click URL that if they click it, it goes to a specific page. And then if you want to do conversion tracking, if you're running ads or anything, I give you the option to paste that type of code on the login page and then also on the thank you page once a customer has subscribed. So you have those two options. Down here is the domain. We connect this during the onboarding process, but if you ever want to change the domain name, you have the option to. I give you instructions on how to do so, and you can do it and change your favicon from this page. And then on the billing page, this is where you pay for all the hosting. It's $49 a month to have your own fully built SaaS application, $49 a month, and you can manage your customer subscription from there. And then the last tab I have is just the change log if you want to be updated with all the newest features. I also send an email to everybody whenever a change is made, but you can also see what's new right here. The cool thing is whenever a change is made to the web app, your customers get it automatically. You don't have to do any manually updating. It's just pushed to all users. And just to see what's new, I write it on this changelog page. So that's the awesome part about SaaSKit is you don't have to worry about all that. All you have to worry about is finding customers, supporting them, creating the subscriptions, and getting paid. We handle everything else. So that is a quick walkthrough of the admin panel. And the next video, we'll walk through the customer web app and you can see exactly what your customers get when they subscribe to your SaaS application. So thank you for watching.